Hi friends, this is Aman and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So from today we'll be starting a new series called Anybody Can Invest, and in this series we'll be looking at fundamentally strong stocks so that you can invest and generate amazing returns over the period of time. And all you have to do is like this video, share this video as much as possible, because the more people like and watch this video, the more we get motivated to bring such videos to you. So keep sharing our video as much as possible, and also subscribe to our channel if you haven't. And let's start today's video. The first stock of this series, called Anybody Can Invest, is Nmdc, and on the other side of the video we'll be looking at the fundamentals and the technical chart of Nmdc. So keep watching. So now let's look at key reasons to invest in Nmdc. Nmdc is a Navaratna company and largest iron ore manufacturer in India, and the company intends to increase its production capacity from 43 metric ton to 67 metric ton this year. And Nmdc also holds a 92.3% stake in Legacy Ore Limited based in Australia. Also, NMDC, in a joint venture with SAIL and RINL, has acquired a coal mine in Mozambique where they produced 1.78 metric ton in financial year 2020. And they have procured 2000 acres of land in Chhattisgarh to set up a steel plant with manufacturing capacity of 3 metric ton annually. And now let's see the fundamentals of NMDC. So the market cap of NMDC is 49,645 crores, and the stock is trading at the PE multiple of just 7.91. The price to book value is at just 1.66. The book value is 102 and you are getting the stock at 169. So it is trading at just 1.66 times of its book value, and the promoters haven't pledged anything. That's great. And the interest coverage ratio, debt to equity, quick ratio, and debtors day all are good. And the stock gives you the dividend yield of 4.58%. And if you invest in FD, you get a interest rate around 6%, and you're getting 4.5% dividend yield here. And in FD you don't have the possibility of appreciation in your capital except interest, but here if the stock price goes up, then you will make money there. Also, you'll be getting 4.58% as dividend every year if you buy at this price. And now let's see profit and loss statement of NMDC. So the first thing is sales, and the sales, as you can see, is constantly increasing from 6,000 crores in March 2016, then 8, then 11, then 12, then 11,700, almost same, and now March 2021 15,000 crores. So sales is continuously increasing, and as you can see, operating profits are also increasing from 2,600 crores in March 2016 to 8,800 crores, almost 8,800 crores in March 2021. And the operating profit margins are also constantly near 55%, 55% every year. 42 in March 2016, then 41%, 49, 57, 49, and now again 57%. So operating profit margins are also good. And earnings per share is also increasing from 6 rupees in March 2016 to 21 rupees. As you can see, 6, then 80 rupees per share, then 12 rupees, then 15, and 11 rupees was exceptional because of COVID-19, and now in March 2021 it's at 21 rupees. So earnings per share is continuously increasing, and as you can see here too, the company is giving dividends every year. And when you see sales growth of last 5 years is at 19%. If you see last 3 years it came down to 10, but last 12 months the sales growth has been at 31%, and it has reflected in profits too, as the profits has increased by 76% in last 12 months. Non equity is also great because, as you can see, 5 years return on equity was 16, then 18, and last year the return on equity was 22%. So overall the profit and loss statement looks good. And now when we see the balance sheet of the company, we can see that they have never ever diluted the share capital after March 2009. In fact, they reduced the number of floating shares from 2009, because in 2009 the share capital was 396 crores, and then in 2016 in 2017 March they reduced it to 316 crores. Then in 2019 they reduced it to 306 crores, and now in 2021 they reduced it to 293 crores. And the reserves is continuously increasing from 20 to 28,000 crores in March 2016 to 29,000 crores in March 2021. And also their borrowings was zero in March 2017. From there they increased it slightly till March 2020 to 566 crores, and now the borrowings is at 1448 crores. Even though they increased their borrowings, but since when you compare it with the market cap, that's very low, because the market cap is around 50,000 crores and the borrowings is around 1448 crores. So borrowings is negligible. So balance sheet also looks good. So now let's look at the shareholding pattern. And as you can see, promoters hold 68.29%, FIIs has a stake of 4.63%, DIIs have 20.67%, and in that 20.67% LIC holds near 13% stake. And our target price for NMDC is at 350 rupees, almost double from here. Sorry, more than double from here. The current market price is at 169. The offer for sale is at 165. Today we saw a fall because of the offer for sale. So the stock prices came down to 169. If we see this fall continuing tomorrow, it will be a good buying opportunity. And the target price is at 350 rupees. And the time frame we are expecting is 12 to 18 months. And now let's look at the technical chart of NMDC. So now on screen we have NMDC's weekly chart, and as you can see the stock is clearly in an uptrend. From 80 rupees it went till 213 rupees, and we saw one way rally from 120, and after that the stock went sideways, and now we are seeing a breakdown because of the because of the offer for sale that was announced. So what you can do is you can add 50% of the quantity here, and if you get the stock around 140 120, you can add the rest of the quantity there. But there is a high probability that this breakdown may fail because it has happened due to offer for sale. So in case this breakdown fails and the stock goes up, what you can do is you can add rest of the quantity at above 190 195, and our target price is at 350 rupees, and the time frame is 12 to 18 months. So that's all for today's video, friends. And in this video we saw fundamentals of NMDC and technical chart too. And before investing or taking any trade in this, please consult your financial advisor. And thank you for watching. Keep liking our videos, sharing our videos, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. This is Aman signing off. Thank you.